Yes, now we are coming on further new questions. Question says sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x should be 4 cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x. Now, whenever we have four results with us, all are in sine, and we have to convert this in product form. First, we will be taking in form of 2 and 2, and better will be we will just make the pair, because 7 and 1, if I'll take, it will be 8, and 5 and 3 again it come out to be 8. So this way, if you take the pairing, the question will become much simpler. So I start with sine of x plus sine of 7x together, then come out to be sine of 3x plus sine of 5x together. Now when you go for sine c plus sine d, now sine c plus sine d, the formula says 2 sine c plus d by 2. Then come out to be cos c minus d by 2, because sine and sine and plus is there, so first formula is there, first term will be there. Same thing here, it is 2 sine 3x plus 5x by 2, and here it come out to be cos of 3x minus 5x by 2. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be 2 sine 7 and 1 8, 8 by 2 it's 4x, cos of, it will be minus of 6x by 2, so it is coming cos of minus of 3x. Then again it will be 2 sine 5 and 3 8 by 2 it's 4x, and then cos of minus x. Cos of minus x is cos x, so there will be no problem in this question. You can solve it further. What it will come? 2 sine 4x will be common in both. Left is cos 3x plus cos of x. And then we go for cos c plus cos d. What this result comes? 2 sine of 4x. Cos c plus cos d will be what? 2 cos of. Cos c plus cos d, cos formula, first term. Cos c plus d by 2. So 3x plus x by 2. Then again cos of 3x minus x by 2. When you solve it further, it come out to be 2 sine of 4x. This will be 2 cos of again 2x now, 4 by 2, and this will come out to be cos of x. So your result come out to be 4 sine of 4x, cos 2x and cos of x. Something wrong we are doing, or what? In the answer, I think question which we have taken is something wrong. This is sine 4x. So we got it sine 4x, cos 2x and cos x. So we have proved this question. One more question of this kind. 1 plus cos 2x plus cos of 4x plus cos of 6x. We have to prove this is equal to 4 cos x cos 2x and cos 3x. 4 cos x cos 2x cos 3x we have to prove. Again, the problem is we should have 4 terms, so pairing to be done. Problem is in this case 1 is here, so better we will be starting this with as cos of 0. Then 6 and 0 will make it 6, 4 and 2 will make it 6. So I'll make the pair now. Cos 0 plus cos of 6x together, and then comes out to be cos 2x plus cos 4x together. Cos c plus cos d, what this come out to be? 2 cos 0 plus 6x by 2, and then cos of 0 minus 6x by 2. Cos c plus cos d, so 2 cos and then cos again. Same way here we'll take again cos C plus cos D. So it will be 2 cos of 2x plus 4x by 2 cos of 2x minus 4x by 2. Now again when you solve it further, what this will come out to be 2 cos 3x. This will be cos of minus 3x. Then it will come out to be plus 2 cos of 3x. And here it will come out to be cos of minus x. So again 2 cos 3x gone out. So when you take cos 3x out, left is cos of 3x, cos of minus theta is cos theta, so cos 3x, and this come out to be cos x. Then the result come out to be 2 cos 3x into, again cos C plus cos D formula, so it will come out to be 2 cos 3x plus x by 2, and here it comes out to be cos 3x minus x by 2. Now when you solve it further, it come out to be 4 cos of 3x. This will be cos 4x by 2, so it will be cos of 2x, and then 2x by 2, so it is cos x. Hence proved. This is the result they are asking. So it's a simple question, not a difficult one, only the pairing is to be done and we can proceed the question. Now coming on next question. Yes, this is another question. We have sin alpha plus sin 2 pi by 3 plus alpha plus sin 4 pi by 3 plus alpha. You should get it 0. Whenever we start this question, one thing is clear, this part is already simplified, so we are not going to touch it. We'll keep it as it is, and these two I'll take the pair. Then come out to be sin of alpha plus. Now it will be sin C plus sin D. Here it is sin C plus sin D. So formula says 2 sin C plus D by 2. So it is 2 pi by 3 plus alpha, 4 pi by 3 plus alpha by 2. And then come out to be cos 2 pi by 3 plus alpha minus 4 pi by 3 minus alpha by 2. Then we write this as sin of alpha plus. What this come out to be? 2 sin 2 pi by 3 plus 4 pi by 3 is 6 pi by 3 plus 2 alpha by 2. And here it come out to be alpha and at alpha get cancel out. It will be cos of minus 2 pi by 3 by 2. Now when you solve it further, sin alpha remain as it is. This come out to be plus 2 sin. This will have 2 pi plus 2 alpha by 2. And here 2 and 2 get cancel out, cos pi by 3. And cos of minus theta we have already done cos theta. So now this will come out to be sin alpha plus 2 sin. It will be pi plus alpha and then cos of pi by 3. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be sin alpha plus sin of 19 to 2 plus alpha. That means it is gone in quadrant number 3. Quadrant number 3 sign come out to be minus. So it is minus. And it is 19 to 2. So even multiple remain as even. Sin alpha. And cos pi by 3. Which is left is half. So this 2 and 2 get cancel out. Your result is left is sin alpha minus sin alpha coming 0. So this way you can have this question also. Now we are coming on next question. Yes, next question says prove that cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square is equal to 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. So when you start this question, we will start with left hand side. What this result comes, just check here. It will come out to be cos square alpha plus cos square beta, or you should simply say first, sorry, cos c plus cos d formula will take, because we want alpha plus beta by 2 and alpha minus beta by 2. So cos c plus cos d formula, it will be 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 than cos alpha minus beta by 2 whole square. Same way here, it is sin c plus sin d. Formula says 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos of alpha minus beta by 2 whole square. Now just check. 2 is here, cos alpha minus beta is here. We can take that common, and when we'll take common, it will come out to be 4 because square is here. Cos square alpha minus beta by 2. This is common. Left is what? Cos square alpha plus beta by 2 plus. This come out to be sin square alpha plus beta by 2. This is clearly come out to be 1. And if it is coming 1, what the result left? It will be 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. This is a simple question, not a difficult one. You can have simply cos c plus cos d, sin c plus sin d, and then something coming common, and then remaining portion will be clearly come out to be 1. So because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so this is the answer. Next question. Yes, now another question is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. We have to bring as cot 3x. Now in this question also, again 3 are there, so we should make the pairs. And how we get the pair, just check. 4 and 2, if I take it, come out to be 6. Half of that will be 3, so it will make it cos 3x. Same way 4 and 2, if I take it, will be 6 and half of that will be 3, so it is here. So I'll just make the pair cos 4x plus cos 2x and then cos of 3x is here. Same way we will say sine of 4x plus sine of 2x, and here it come out to be sine of 3x. Then we go for cos c plus cos d formula here. Formula says 2 cos c plus d by 2 and then cos c minus d by 2. Then left is cos 3x whole divided by sin c plus sin d. What it comes to? Sin c plus d by 2 and then come out to be cos 4x minus 2x by 2 plus sine of 3x. Now when you solve it, it will come 2 cos 3x. This will be cos of x plus cos 3x whole divided by, this come out to be 2 sine 3x, then cos of x and then plus sine of 3x. If I take common here, it will be cos 3x common here. Left is 2 cos of x plus 1. Same way here I take sine 3x common. So it will come 2 cos of x plus 1 is here. Then this part clearly get cancelled out. Cos by sine will be cot 3x. So this way also you can have a question by making pair and you can solve it. One more question is there. This is a slightly different question we have. Just note it here. Now this is a entirely different question this time. Cos 2x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x cos 9x by 2 we should prove as sin 5x sin 5x by 2. Here in this case problem is we don't have an addition form or a difference form, we have multiplication form. So we should go on the previous formula now. So when you start with this side, first multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. When you do this, it will come out to be half 2 cos A cos B. When you go for the formula of 2 cos A cos B, what formula says cos A plus B? So I should write this as cos A plus, so 2x plus x by 2 by 2. Then plus cos of 2x minus x by 2 by 2 minus. Again this will be the same formula. So I should go for cos of 3x plus 9x by 2 by 2. This is 2 cos A cos B. Formula says cos A plus B. Sorry. 2 cos A cos B is the formula. So cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Sorry. Then here also cos A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So 3x minus 9x by 2. This was the formula we have already done. So 2 cos A cos B formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B minus here again cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. When you have this result, I will write this as half remain out. This will be 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So cos of 5x by 2. This will come out to be plus cos 3x by 2 minus. What this will come? 3 to the 6, 6, 9, 15. So it will be cos 15x by 2. And here it will come out to be minus plus cos of minus 3x by 2. Now when you write this cos 3x by 2, this is also cos 3x by 2 because cos of theta is cos minus theta is cos theta. So this term clearly get cancelled out. Left is half cos of 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2. And now when you solve it, it will come out to be cos C minus cos D. So when you go for cos C minus cos D, what formula says? Minus 2 sine C plus D by 2. So 5x by 2 plus 15x by 2 by 2. And then come out to be again sine 5x by 2 minus 15x by 2 by 2. Now when you solve it further, this 2 and 2 get cancelled out. Your result left is minus sine of 15 plus 5, 20. So I should say 20x by 2 by 2. And here it will come out to be sine minus of 10x by 2 by 2. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be minus sine 2 and 2, 4 here. So it will be 5 of x. And here it will come out to be sine minus 5x by 2. And sine of minus theta is what? Minus sine theta. So this minus will make it plus. So answer come out to be sine 5x into sine 5x by 2. Hence proved. So this way you have the question. Next time we'll be starting with new topic. Thank you.